Hi. After watching this video, students will be able to draw lines, squares, rectangles with accuracy and precision in AutoCAD using various input methods. One of the simplest functions of AutoCAD is drawing lines, squares, and rectangles. Students are typically adept at drawing these simple forms, but doing so on a computer can feel unnatural, causing students to encounter difficulties that make a simple task seem quite complicated. Before diving into drawing squares, lines, squares, and rectangles, students should familiarize themselves with the following terminology that is unique to computer drawing. First term is first point, which is the first point of any geometry where a drawing begins. The next term is next point. In computer graphics, the next point is simply a place in geometry where the end of a line is expected to either complete the task or send geometry off into another direction, depending upon the complexity of the shape. A design can have numerous next points. Drag, moving the mouse with a point of pending geometry attached to the cursor. Grip, a point of editing that is evident by a dark blue marker at endpoints and midpoints of most geometric entities when they are in an active mode. Command line, a text field located at the bottom of the AutoCAD drawing area for typing commands and putting out instruction options for the user. Value, a number which is used to indicate distance, degree of angle, or coordinate inside of AutoCAD. Dynamic input, the ability to enter value and instruction via text boxes that follow the cursor around the screen. Apex, a tip, point, or furthest extent of a geometric feature. Midpoint, midpoint of a line.